I have just installed a front lip on the Mark V Jetta, so let me show you. So here's the front lip that I got. This is an aftermarket one that I got from IKON Motorsports. They call it like the V-style front lip. And honestly, it's not all that great. Like for example, I don't know why these tabs are bent forward when it's supposed to be parallel against, you know, the lower portion of the lip. And also you can see the mold already. It's not even that great. So I feel like there might be a bunch of finessing to get this fitted right. So let's just get straight to it and get this guy installed. But first, we're going to need to remove the stock front lip off the Mark V Jetta. The first thing we need to do is remove 8 of these T25 Torx screws. You have 1 right here. You have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8 at that end right there. After those 8 T25 screws are removed, I think now it's just a matter of carefully and firmly popping and pulling the front lip out. There was actually a total of 10 T25 Torx screw. I missed the 2 on the side. This side came off because this was already broken, but there's another 2 on the inside of the fender well lip area right here. Before I install the new lip, I'm just going to clean the area first. Alright, now let's hope this new one goes in well. Okay, that first round of trying to install this didn't go too well. I feel like there's a bunch of flash that needs to be trimmed off so that it can fit in correctly. So what I'm going to do is trim off some of these flashes that I feel like is preventing it from seating in better, and then give it a second try. Alright, second attempt after doing a bunch of trimming. Alright, so after a buttload of trimming, heating, forming, and whatever it took to fit the lip, I finally got it to fit somewhat pretty good. So let me finalize it up, take it off the ramp, and then show you guys out in the light. And here it is. It definitely makes the front end look a lot better and a little bit more aggressive, but I feel like it's not worth it for the amount of work you have to put in to make it actually fit good. So let me just show you guys real quick on the OEM one where I did a bunch of trimming. So all these edges here on the aftermarket one were very bad and jagged, so I had to cut it as straight as you see here as the ODM one, and additionally at these and here. So I had to trim a whole bunch around all here to make it fit much better and flush. In addition to that, once it was installed onto the car, remember how earlier in the video I showed you guys where these on the aftermarket lip were kind of like bent down? I had to heat it up, bend it up, and then mount it or bolt it down here, here, and all the rest there too. So there was a bunch of extra things needed to do to install the aftermarket front lip. Honestly, I do not recommend this front lip from IKON Motorsports. Unless you're willing to put in the work to make it fit good, it actually looks pretty decent. So if you guys are willing to buy this lip, I'll put the link down below in the description. Also, if you guys missed a video where I bought temporary wheels for my MK5 Jetta, make sure you guys go and check it out right here, and also subscribe to my channel right here. Thanks.